it, 0 hour, the MAT New Stratos' final chance at redemption. Let's recap this episode, shall we? We brought the GT40 to a big, long racetrack because we thought that's where it would shine the brightest. Well, during a particularly dark monsoon, a Nissan kicked the snot out of it. Next, we wanted to bring the new Stratos to Reno to a car testing facility because we wanted to see if MAT had engineered the original car's legendary sketchiness out of the new one. Not only did we get snowed out, but that thing has been malfunctioning since the second we turned it on. After sitting on a lift with the rear end off for 3 days, 4 Ferrari master mechanics put it back together and the problem was still there. So, Jethro and I have taken the drastic step of cutting one of the ABS cables. Not only does it have no traction control, it has no brakes. So, is the new Stratos the best Ferrari we've ever driven, or is it a glorified kit car?
So we've come to this place to see, I want a bit of that attitude of the old car. Oh, this is hard work. You don't want it to feel like a 430 because you pay all that money. You want some of the Stratos DNA. Super quick, super accurate. And the question is, have they tamed the Stratos recipe but kept just enough of the edge of the old car? So yeah, I feel like there's some old Stratos attitude in here. You have to be quick. But certainly doesn't feel like it wants to spit me off all the time. Obviously.
Well, how was it?
I'm out of breath. I'm not fit enough. Yeah, I suspected that I would just spin like a top on there, and
as did I.
I actually didn't.
No, you were good. You did very well.
So it's very, very quick. You have to be very, very quick with it on the transitions, else you will spin.
But is it sketchy? That's what we were here to find out.
I don't think it's sketchy.
Car?
I think it's got like an inherent sort of stability in there. It requires care, definitely. But I want my modern Stratos to still have some of the edge of the old one. So I am impressed that it's still got some edge and it makes you work, but it doesn't feel like it wants to kill you.
Well, I think it's time then for me to have a go.
No.
What do you mean? Come on.
Just over there,
yeah,
there's a kick plate.
Ooh.
And it has a speed readout.
Oh, so we can see who can go faster.
We do.
Well, let's do that. Okay.
I'm up for it.
Let me drive.
Okay.
Sliding the Stratos around was fun and did suggest that the new car has the edge of the old, but that when you peek over that edge, you don't necessarily plummet into a spin. The kick plate will test that theory. We'll simply drive over a pad set into the ground that shifts when the rear axle hits it, literally kicking the car into an oversteer slide on a very wet tarmac area.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna do 20 miles an hour, second gear, and away we go. Oh man, this is sketchy. Perfect 360.
That was the slowest spin in the history of the world.
And the car stalled.
What speed was that on the big red speed readout, guys?
21.
Now you have the added bonus of not having windscreen wipers that work, and you've got to go faster.
A horrible feeling that we will spin this car every single time, and the kick plate's slowest speed is, I believe, 17 miles an hour. So if we can't save it at all, we're dead.
That's 2. Strike 2 for Jonny Lieberman. Okay, yeah, that's strike 2, Jonny. Strike 2.
If you fail again, I think we'll just say
I won, even though I don't have to go. Okay.
Okay, I'm just going into it.